Hello, crypto world. Sunday evening in the United States, and now it's Monday morning in Asia. And the futures have opened, and I'm going to describe this as basically unchanged. Now, remember, the Dow and the S&P made records on Friday, so this back up of less than 0.25% is meaningless. And then when we look at the dollar, it too is basically unchanged, up nothing, 4 ticks. So we go into this week without any sense that the crypto-centric world during this weekend had any strong feelings about crypto, either negative or positive. Now, since we had no movement during this weekend, it underlines how crypto is going to be influenced by all the geopolitical events that happen starting this week. And the equity market will most likely, just based on history, continue its all-time highs. And I don't see any reason for the dollar to go up. And I don't see any reason for the interest rates to continue going up. Remember, they went up despite the fact that rate was cut. So I am calmly, if you will, bullish, but I have a problem. I still don't get why XRP isn't stronger. We know the ETF, while it's not a traditional ETF, came last week and it had incredible volume, but the volume didn't take up XRP. That is, if you will, a concern for me, not particularly about XRP, but what it says about the overall crypto market at the moment. However, I believe that we will have, in the case of Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP, a rally into the end of the year as the rate cuts that are coming, that we believe there are going to be at least 2 more this year, and the fact that we are unlikely to see the dollar continue to go up as rates get cut. So I am still bullish overall, but I want to see it start. And if it starts, I'm going to jump on, but I'm not buying it in advance. I have my holdings, but I'm not adding to things till I see how the stock market and the dollar and interest rates are tomorrow morning. And then we see what happens during the week. So right now, I think it's a point of being ready to be bullish, but patience, because we know that it's so weird that XRP is down. It's so weird that they cut interest rates, and yet the treasury bills went up in yield. So we have to be a little bit cautious, but I'm going to describe it as cautiously optimistic.